Hello world, this is Darren Martineau, the CEO of Team Freedom, and in this video I'm going to show some proof that my systems will work. I have a book here. This is called Immunity Elixirs, Green Juices for Cold and Flu Season, and I've only been doing this for a couple weeks. It's called Book Ninja, and I produced this book using AI and incredible software, and I already got it up to #1 bestseller on the Amazon Kindle store, and this is proof here. And I'm also going to show another book that I have #3 right here. This is my book, the Wild Earth Homestead Sourdough book, which is #3 in bread baking on the Kindle store. So click on the link and join Team Freedom, and I'll show you how to get these amazing results using Book Ninja. When you purchase Book Ninja through my link and upgrade to the $47 a month uh, upgrade, I'm going to give you a bonus worth over $500, showing you how to do all of this, get this ranked and get bestsellers on Amazon and have a true set and forget passive income streams, multiple streams of income. So I'm going to show you much more. Click on the link and I'll explain to you my incredible bonus package for Book Ninja. This is some of my results. I've only been doing it a couple weeks. I've already got over 20 books up, and these are incredible results. So if you'd like to get passive income, and I make an income disclaimer, I don't promise you're going to make any money. I don't promise you're going to make $1 million. I don't promise you're going to make a penny. But if you show up, work hard, work smart, and are consistent, you will do just fine. So click on the link, join Team Freedom now. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.